Got my dogs playing right now. Basically, I'm making a quick, short video of what I've all done. I did have a video that I was editing, and I accidentally deleted everything. The entire teardown of what I've done so far to Blue, with his engine and the interior. It was a bummer because I was supposed to post it, and yeah, I accidentally pressed the delete button instead of the save button. So basically, this is going to be real brief, real quick. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit that like button at the end if you like the video. I will be posting up some more stuff on Instagram as well. If you don't know, my Instagram is Grimsons_tuning. As my dogs are barking like crazy. But anyways, let me show you what I've done so far and what I've torn out. And we also have some toys that I want to show you guys that I purchased for Blue as well for the build. I've got 5 days, and so far it's come to somewhat of a halt. Hey, come on guys, enough. Somewhat of a halt, reason for being, and I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, let me show you real quick. Let me open up this hood real quick, and I'll show you exactly what all I've done. Obviously, I've got the AC condenser sitting loose because that's coming out. But so far, the AC compressor is out. The cold air intake is out. All of the piping for the AC unit, if you see back there, is completely gone. Still trying to see if I can maybe relocate the battery. But here's my biggest dilemma. Okay, so I was able to take out these two bolts from the manifold. And then as soon as I did that, see how it wiggles? No, it's... So I think I might have to tap some of the bolts out of the block, which is a pain in the butt, so it's going to take me a day or two. Hopefully I can get it done quick, because on this side here, I was able to get this bolt, but it's jammed in the manifold itself. This bolt snapped, so I know that there's a bolt in the block. These bolts that are down here, if you look, they're completely just shredded. The entire setup here, I don't know if you guys can see that bolt there, but it's just corrosive and full of gunk. And yeah, I've got a lot of work to do to try to get these exhaust headers off, and I also got to get a new belt. So it's gonna be, yeah, wrench time. I'm hoping that I can make it out to Galot with Blue. If I don't, then it'll just be me going out to Galot in Doomsday, which is sitting over there, which now I'm having some type of a transmission issue. I think it's the torque converter. But let's get into the interior, and I'll show you what all I've torn out. Obviously, you see my wheel wells that I've taken off. But no back seats. No back seats. Everything is torn out. And what I like about this setup is the way these bolts are sitting, where the chair sits, I can have a roll cage bolted in and bolted on the bottom, obviously, but I can make a roll cage and completely roll cage the entire bay of the back of the truck, which would be nice, because then I can get, come on, focus, because then I can get a 16-gallon tank. I can delete the actual gas tank that I have underneath the truck, and a few other cool little things. I did manage to plug up the tire. Everything is all good with it. So there was not a hole. It was more of a bead issue. It was just off the rim itself. So I was able to get it back on, and I put the air back in, and it's stayed now for an entire 24 hours. So far so good with that. I did check the transmission fluid. There is transmission fluid in there. It's clean. It looks good. But I also have an issue with possibly the oil pan on this is slightly leaking. But one of the main things that I really want to focus in on is trying to get this exhaust header off. So hopefully in my next video, you guys will laugh at my expense and at my struggle to try to get this damn header off. So that there, I can go ahead and put my other exhaust headers on that I've been wanting to put on. And we're gonna straight pipe it from these down to where the door, front of the driver's side and the front of the passenger side door is. So it's gonna be a dual straight piping. It'll sound extremely loud and extremely mean. But I also have some new toys that I told you guys in my previous video that I wanted to order, and I actually did order it. So see here is I got some goodies in a box that I just placed an order for. They finally got in the mail. They finally came to me at the house. They were delivered finally on the porch. So I'm going to open these and I'm going to show you guys what I bought for Blue to help me with the build and to help me with drag strip. So let me get one of my boxes out, and I'm extremely excited. I'm looking forward to seeing what this looks like. Oh boy, come on, Buzz, go on, Bubby boy. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh boy. What do we have here? What do you see? Alright. Oh, I think you're gonna roll the cue on a slow-mo. Ah, man. I am so... Oh. And it locks. This is bad. Look at that. Locks in place. It stays. Nice little billet. Oh man, I'm happy with that, guys. What do you think? Hold on, let me back you up a little bit. What do you guys think? I'm looking forward to installing that. That's going to be some good fun. Oh yeah, baby. That's keeping the truck back and then whop. That's gonna be nice. Set that there. That's extremely nice. I'm extremely happy with the way that actually set. The quality of it's pretty damn good. It's thick, nice and solid. All right, that's for one toy. All right, and now. What I've been wanting. This is going to be very exciting. Same company that I got the hydro brake from. But this hopefully will help with reducing the weight of the engine and gaining better power. So I ended up purchasing a set. We're going to set them on the radiator. It comes with all of its, I guess that's connections for this to hook everything up. And yeah, let me take them out. But that's a nice quality. Looks really nice. Dual fans, electric fans, so I can switch it on and off anytime I want to cool down the engine. So that's nice. I'm extremely excited to put those on and install. Alright, puppy. Watch out, puppy. And I'm guessing these are the brackets to put in to have them hold. Yep. So basically what I need to do is I need to go get a wiring kit and run them off a harness switch. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, next couple of days is going to be interesting. So leave any comments down below and let me know what you think. So I'm going to be installing those shortly, and we'll have a video of that. And hopefully I won't be deleting any videos after that. But yeah. If you, like I said, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and definitely follow me on Instagram at Grimsons_tuning. Yeah, see you guys here in the next day or two again, and wish me luck, because I've got 5 days to install this, the exhaust headers, get everything buttoned up, running, lowered, and hopefully out to Galot at noon on Saturday. Later, guys.